are the two schools for tonight's show. Manchester High from Manchester up against St. Mary High from St. Mary. This is the 56th season of TVJ's Schools Challenge Quiz. Manchester High is represented by Jalissa Tracy, Stefan Smart, Kimarley Ferguson, and Matthew Dunkley. St. Mary High is represented by Trisha Fagan, Ricardo Ray Douglas, Siobhan Eve Harris, and Ryan Ewan. Only one of these teams will move on to the next round. Hello, everyone. Welcome to round 3 of TVJ's Schools Challenge Quiz 2025. I'm your host, Marlene Stevenson-Daly. It all comes down to this. High schools from across Jamaica have entered the challenge, but do they have the skill, the knowledge, the temperament to move to the next round? This is the opening challenge, and in this section, teams will be asked questions alternately. They'll receive 1 point for each correct answer. Earlier we had the toss and Manchester High won. They decided to go first, and so we begin with Manchester High. This section lasts for 4 minutes, so let's get that time on the clock. Manchester High Spanish. What is the English translation for Estoy orando por ti?
Están orando por ti. I have an orange bag.
No, I'm praying for you. St. Mary. Spanish, what is the English translation for El accidente ocurrió el pasado domingo por la tarde?
The accident happened last Sunday evening.
The accident happened last Sunday evening.
Correct.
Good.
International Affairs for Manchester. Look at the monitor, identify which country's flag is displayed.
Oman.
Correct. International Affairs for St. Mary. Look at the monitor, identify which country's flag is displayed.
Cyprus.
Correct. Literature for Manchester. What nationality is the author of the novel Half of a Yellow Sun?
Half of a yellow sun. American.
Incorrect. Nigerian. Literature for St. Mary. What nationality is the author of the novel Things Fall Apart?
Who did that? Chino Chiba? Nigerian.
Correct. Chemistry for Manchester. What is the chemical formula for calcium sulfate?
Calcium sulfate. CS2SO4.
Correct. Chemistry for St. Mary. What is the chemical formula for sodium thiocyanate?
NaS4CN.
NaS4CN.
No, NaSCN. Music for Manchester. Listen to the clip. Give the title of the song.
Title.
Correct. Music for St. Mary. Listen to the clip. Give the title of the song.
Circles.
Correct. Biology for Manchester. The inner mucosa of the human stomach is raised into large number of folds known by what name?
Folds. Cyste.
Incorrect. Rugae. Biology for St. Mary. What is another name for renin, a protein digesting enzyme that curdles milk?
We use digestion. Lactase. Oh, yeah.
Prolactin.
Incorrect. Chymosin. And Manchester Theatre and Cinema. Look at the monitor. Identify this actress, please.
Sandra Oh.
Incorrect. Maya Erskine. St. Mary Theatre and Cinema. Look at the monitor. Identify this actress.
Julianne Moore.
Incorrect. Imelda Staunton. English language for Manchester. What part of speech is the word so as used in the sentence? So, look who is here.
So, exclamation or interjection? We call part of speech. So, conjunction. Conjunction.
Incorrect. Interjection. St. Mary, English language, what part of speech is the word so as used in the sentence? She said things that were not so.
Adjective.
Adjective. Correct. Sports for Manchester. Look at the monitor. Identify this person.
Steffi Graf. Steffi Graf.
Incorrect. Martina Navratilova. Sports for St. Mary. Look at the monitor. Identify this person.
All right. Steffi Graf. Steffi Graf.
Incorrect. Martina Hingist. And that's the bell. That's the end of the opening challenge, and the scores are Manchester High on 3 and St. Mary High on 5. When we come back, it'll be time for the Speed Challenge. Schools Challenge Quiz 56 returns right after these messages.